Have you ever wondered how water can help you manifest your dreams? Imagine harnessing the power of the most abundant resource on our planet to attract positive changes into your life. This is the essence of water manifestation. From the ancient civilizations of Egypt and Greece to the indigenous cultures of the Americas, water has been revered as a life-giving force, a purifier, and a conduit for spiritual growth. It flows, it adapts, it nourishes, qualities we often seek in our own lives. In the realm of spirituality, water is seen as a symbol of the subconscious mind, the wellspring of our thoughts, emotions, and desires. By interacting with this element, we are, in essence, communicating with our deeper selves. This is where the magic of water manifestation begins. We are about to embark on a journey that merges the spiritual with the tangible. Now let's dive into the world of water manifestation and see how it can transform your life. So what's the science behind water manifestation? Let's start with Dr. Masaru Emoto's groundbreaking water experiment. Dr. Emoto, a Japanese scientist, discovered that water could be influenced by human thoughts, words, and feelings. In his experiment, he exposed water to different words, pictures, and music, then froze the water and examined the ice crystals under a microscope. The results were remarkable. Water exposed to positive words and images formed beautiful, symmetrical crystals, while water exposed to negative influences formed disjointed and chaotic crystals. This experiment suggests that water can remember and carry the energy of what it's exposed to. It's a concept that might seem a bit outlandish, but it's backed by the principles of quantum physics. According to quantum theory, everything in our universe, including our thoughts and intentions, is made up of energy. This energy can interact with other forms of energy, including the energy of water molecules. I will link my complete video on Dr. Emoto's groundbreaking research at the end of this video. Now, let's relate this to water manifestation. The idea is that just as Dr. Emoto's experiment demonstrated, water can carry our intentions. When we infuse our water with positive thoughts and intentions, we're essentially programming it with the energy of those intentions. Then, when we consume this water, we're not just hydrating our bodies, but also feeding them with the energy of our intentions. In this way, water becomes a conduit for manifesting our desires into reality. Consider, for instance, the practice of blessing water before drinking it. This is a tradition found in many cultures around the world. By blessing the water, we're infusing it with positive energy and intentions, which are then taken into our bodies when we drink the water. So, the science behind water manifestation is really about the interaction of energy, the energy of our thoughts and intentions, and the energy of water molecules. It's about understanding that our thoughts have power and that we can use that power to manifest our desires and shape our reality. Water, it turns out, is more than just a life-giving substance. It's a medium for our intentions. The process of water manifestation is simpler than you might think. Often the most profound experiences in life are born from simplicity, and water manifestation is no exception. It's a practice that requires little but yields much, provided that you approach it with an open heart and mind. Let's walk through the process step by step. The first step is to set a clear intention. This can be anything that resonates with you. Perhaps you seek tranquility in a turbulent time or courage to face a daunting task. Or perhaps you yearn for love, abundance, or healing. Whatever your intention, visualize it with clarity and conviction. Remember that the power of the intention lies within you, not the water. The water is merely a conduit for your intention. Once you've set your intention, the next step is to choose the right container. This is more significant than it may seem. The container should be something that resonates with your intention. It could be a crystal glass for clarity, a handmade clay pot for grounding, or even a simple mug that holds sentimental value. The container is a symbol, a physical representation of your intention. Now comes the act of drinking the water. This is not just about quenching your thirst, but about imbibing your intention. As you hold the water in your hands, feel its coolness, its life-giving essence. Visualize your intention flowing through the water, permeating every molecule. Then, drink it. As the water flows into you, imagine your intention being absorbed into every cell of your body, becoming a part of you. The process of water manifestation is not about magic potions or mystical rituals. It's about the power of intention, the power of belief. It's about aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions with your deepest desires. It's about harnessing the universal energy that flows through all things, including the water we drink. Remember, the key is to believe in your intention wholeheartedly, for it is not the water that changes, but you. And when you change, the world around you changes. So drink in the possibilities and manifest the life you desire. Here are some useful tips to make your water manifestation journey more successful. First and foremost, the quality of the water you use is crucial. It's essential to use clean, pure water free from any impurities. The reason behind this is simple. When you are manifesting your desires, you want to start with a clean slate, free from any negative energies or vibrations. So think of pure water as a blank canvas on which you can paint your dreams. Just as important as the quality of water is the container that holds it. Opt for a clear glass container. The transparency allows you to visualize your desires being absorbed by the water more effectively. Glass, being a natural substance, also aligns better with the energy you're trying to manifest. Avoid using plastic containers as they can carry negative vibrations and could potentially hinder your manifestation process. Time plays a significant role in the success of water manifestation. While you can practice it at any time of the day, certain times are believed to be more potent. Early morning, just after sunrise, or late evening, right before you go to bed, are considered ideal. The quiet and tranquility of these times can help you focus better, thus amplifying the power of your intentions. Finally, remember that water manifestation, like any other practice, thrives on consistency. It's not a one-off event, but a process. Make it a part of your daily routine. The more often you do it, the more powerful your manifestations become. It's like watering a plant. You can't just water it once and expect it to grow. It needs regular nurturing. In the same vein, it's important not to rush the process. Allow your desires to manifest in their own time. Just as water flows naturally, let your manifestations flow naturally too. In conclusion, water manifestation is a beautiful practice that can help you realize your dreams. But like any other practice, it requires commitment, patience, and the right approach. Use clean, pure water, a clear glass container, practice at the right times, repeat the process consistently, and allow your desires to manifest naturally. Like any other practice, water manifestation also requires consistency and dedication. So, what can you expect from practicing water manifestation? Imagine living a life where you are more attuned to your thoughts, emotions, and desires. This heightened level of awareness is one of the many benefits of water manifestation. The practice encourages you to become more mindful, fostering a deep connection between your mind and the world around you. It's like a mental workout, training your brain to focus on the present moment and to be more aware of your thoughts and feelings. But mindfulness is just the beginning. The real magic happens when this increased awareness starts to shape your life. By focusing your thoughts on your desires while interacting with water, you are effectively setting powerful intentions, and these intentions can guide your actions, helping you make choices that align with your goals. Water manifestation is also an exciting way to tap into the law of attraction. Remember, the law of attraction states that like attracts like. So when you focus your thoughts on your desires, you are essentially sending out a request to the universe. You are saying, "This is what I want, and I am ready to receive it." And the universe responds. It's like placing an order at a restaurant. You wouldn't just sit there and hope for the best, would you? No, you'd tell the waiter exactly what you want. Water manifestation works in a similar way. By focusing your thoughts on your desires, you are placing your order with the universe. Let's not forget about the calming effect of water. The soothing sound of flowing water, the gentle touch of it against your skin. It's like a balm for the soul. It can help reduce stress, promote relaxation, and foster a sense of peace and tranquility. So whether you're looking to manifest specific desires, develop greater mindfulness, or simply find a sense of calm in a hectic world, water manifestation can be a powerful tool. It's a practice that encourages you to focus on your desires, create a mental picture of your desired outcome, and then let the universe do its thing. The rewards of water manifestation can be truly transformative. So there you have it, the intriguing world of water manifestation. We've dived deep into the essence of this practice, shedding light on its power, the science behind it, and the process involved. Remember, it's not just about the water. It's about your intention, your belief, and the consistency of your actions. The water is merely a medium, a conduit for your thoughts and desires, but it's your intention that charges your belief that amplifies its potential, and your consistency that brings about the desired manifestation. We've also explored some helpful tips to enhance your water manifestation practice and provided insights into the myriad benefits that await you. From self-improvement to achieving personal goals, water manifestation can be a transformative journey. With water manifestation, you have a simple yet powerful tool to help you manifest your dreams. So why not give it a try? Before we wrap up, remember to share this video with others who may need this knowledge. Give it a thumbs up if you found it useful. Subscribe to our channel for more such enlightening content. And most importantly, do leave a comment sharing your own experiences with water manifestation. We look forward to hearing from you.